universe! Good afternoon here in the Philippines and welcome to our channel. So as you can see at the back of me, that is our house construction, and I will give you an update what is going on. And as you can see, there are lots of grasses grown up too. So keep watching. So the last time I came here, the fence rebar, it's not finished yet here in the front of the house, but now all around, as you can see, the fence rebar, this one, this. I have to be careful because I'm carrying a baby. And this. All around there. So just a little bit. The welders put some rebar there, but all around it's nearly finished. Only one left. So I will turn around and let you see it. It must be also dangerous here. And I have to be careful. I'm carrying a baby. And this is future small gate to put here, but it's not finished yet. So this looks like now inside. I showed you earlier outside. This is what it looks like inside. Okay, but they need to put small gate here, not yet finished. All the way around. So this is at the back of the house. Oh, we didn't put rebar yet, and I guess this is the rebar that we are going to put over here, but it's not yet finished. So let's see. But they already put finishing here, just the rebar. Oh, they already put frame for this, so that this one frame, it's already to put it here, and here it's already to put. Two frames, another frames, support over here. This one, so I can have a look all around, all around, all around. No rebars yet. All around, no rebars. There's the dirty kitchen, so that's the dirty kitchen. And this is the septic tank. I think they need to fill it some limestone because it's not level. It needs to level this up. But they need to have a lot of work to do here. Put limestone until it's level like this in the septic tank. And I will show you. I think this is the dirty kitchen. The last time I came here, there is no like this. Here, they didn't put it yet. This flooring, this one here, but now they put it already. So this is for the gas tube, and this one is for dishwashing. This is where the taps is, and all around. How we think about it, what we're going to do about it, or what we needs to put it. So I need to go at the back of this here pins if they also put finishing that. So it was the gate here in the future, and then I will going to go at the back if they put finishing there. This is at the back now. They already put finishing here and here. All along there's a river, another rebar to put it And this fence. Here. I have to be careful. Oh, it's rocky. I'm carrying a little boy. Glad he's so quiet. He didn't cry. So this. Okay. Here. Here. Oh, it's table. Oh, there are two workers here. One is the one who will do a finishing this. But they put fire. Maybe there's a lot of mosquito. And this is the stairway. And this one there. This one is not finished yet. All along over there. Not finished yet. Look, there's a fire here. I think there's a mosquito. Or some bugs that can bite. This stairs here, they put holes now because it's been a while that they finished this one. So I think they will put cement, or I don't know what they are going to do after this hole like this. And this one, they put holes because I heard they said it can make it more solid to the stairs and even the houses, the post. They put a hole, and after that one, they can put cement or finishing that. And this one here, I need to go back again. So I will show you. So this, we can put a pot there to put flowers or plants. So this is what it looks like now. It's different. And this one here, this is a storage room. And yeah, this is the stairs now. Here, I can just stand there and I can put a pot here. This one is already finished. The stairs. Let's find out what's new here. I think it's still the same because the last time I made a video was still the same. So probably it is. Let's see this. This is already finished. And this not yet finished. So maybe we will do this a little bit in this part here. Comfort room. Already finished. This is my room. Okay. Oh, nothing's changed. Still the same. And this is a comfort room. This one is not finished yet, so Kuya need to put a line there. I think that must be 4 line. Then after that one, we'll put finishing. Like that. That one. Last time the poster is not yet finished, and look at now. This PVC, and you cannot see PVC in front of the house, just over there. Because they hide it. They did a good job. Yeah, remember. And I think that's it. Okay, that's all for today's vlog. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you very much, and we appreciate that one. Like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you.